Hi friends, Divya Dawlat here, back again with one more recipe. This is with potatoes, aloo. So it's known as Aloo Tuk. Basically, it's a Sindhi dish. I think in other parts of India also they might be doing. This recipe was shared by a friend. So we've been doing it from ages and we just love the taste. It's very good with rasam or any other gravy also. It itself has its own taste because all of us love potatoes and any form of potatoes is amazing. And a very simple dish, very few ingredients, and it's only with potatoes. So let's start the process. So friends, let's start boiling this tiny potatoes. These are very small potatoes, so baby potatoes, and I am going to semi boil it. After semi boiling I'll show you the next process. With peel only I'm boiling it. I clean nicely and I'm boiling it with the peel. If you want, add little salt also, that's also okay. So after semi boiling I removed it, and while it was hot only I have smashed it like this. So smash it when it is little hot only, it is easy. So friends, in a pan I just put some oil and I've just placed all the pressed aloos like this. So either you can do it little like a roasting or you can do little shallow fry, anything is okay. So let's see how it goes about. Friends, flip it once, press nicely, flip it once or twice and roast it like this. It in a plate and just apply little red chili powder and salt and mix everything. That's it, very simple, only red chili powder and salt. So now it's done. I'll do the plating and we are ready. It looks yum, right? Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.